Welcome to our channel. Today we're making a really delicious and diet-friendly dish. We use sela rice and we soak the sela rice for some time, at least 20 minutes. Good quality rice. And we then, once the water boils, we put the rice and let it cook until it's almost done. And then we strain the rice and let all the water drain. And then we take oil, 2 tablespoons of oil, about 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of chili pepper, and 2 tomatoes, 2 to 3 tomatoes, I would say, because this dish gets most of its taste from the tomatoes. And let the tomatoes cook until it's all cooked. I added some more crushed pepper. It's up to you how much pepper you want to use. Then I use 2 cups of frozen mixed vegetables. You can use whatever vegetables you have on hand, and if they're cooked, you can still stir fry those. Add the salt, and I let the vegetable cook for a little bit. Once they're all cooked, I add 2 cups. I use 2 days old cooked rice in it, and you can see the quality of my rice, how long and how separate it is. And you stir fry it until all the rice is heated through. This has lower carbs than regular pulao and is very healthy. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thank you.